So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on scan options. And now you want to select full scan. And then scroll down and then click on scan now. You want to run this full scan. It will take a while, but just run this scan. And now once that's been done, now you want to select Microsoft Defender offline scan. You want to click on this and then click on scan now. And then click on scan again. And then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer. It's now restarting. It's now going to start running this offline scan. Once you complete the offline scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.